17-inch Imac Intel hard drive and super drive removal. The hard drive is located here, which is behind the LCD. There are 3 cables that have to be removed. First, you can remove the temperature sensor cable located here. Next, you will have to use a little strength to press down on the latch holding the hard drive in at the top. When that is loosened, pull back on the top and then lift up. Now unplug the 2 cables located here. If you are replacing the hard drive with a new one, you will have to take out the mounting screws located on each side of the hard drive and move them over to the new drive. You will also need to move over the temperature sensor board to the new drive as well. Next, we have the super drive. First, unplug the temperature sensor cable located here. Then remove the 2 Torx 6 screws holding on the metal guard. Once those are removed, the metal guard will come free. Next, you will have to maneuver the 2 latches holding the super drive in place. One is located here at the top, and the next one is located here at the bottom. Once the 2 latches have been unhooked, the super drive will come free. To remove the daughter board from the super drive, you will have to take out the 2 T6 screws located here. If you are replacing the super drive with a new one, you will have to move over the mounting kit as well. The super drive mounting kit is held on by 4 Torx 8 screws.